I actually joined Arnold and Porter because of its pro bono focus and pro bono practice. Tanya, in your favorite class, civil procedure, our professor, he, I want to say early in the semester, he said, this class is about civil procedure, but I also want to kind of show you guys what good lawyering looks like and what I hope you guys will do when you get out of law school and are practicing. And so he passed around the Buffalo Creek disaster book. And, he said, this kind of commitment, long term commitment to helping people who might not otherwise be able to afford our services is exactly the kind of commitment that I'd hope to see you guys make in your professions. And so it was always in the back of my mind that Arnold and Porter was a firm that championed pro bono and a firm that I'd want to be at to help out with that work. And thankfully, several years down the line, I was able to do that. So I've done a good variety of pro bono cases at the firm. So currently, we are working on a number of Afghan asylum cases. This was particularly relevant after the Taliban took over Afghanistan and left a lot of both servicemen and women, as well as people who helped them in a difficult situation. Some of y'all might recall the images of planes taking off out of Afghanistan, and having people kind of holding on just to reflect the direness of the situation. And so we've been working on a couple of those cases. More recently, out of the Denver office, I've been working on a Black Lives Matter protest case where the protesters in some of the protests in Denver were subjected to significant police aggression, significant deviations from police protocol in those situations. We're conducting depositions, pushing the case forward to not only vindicate their rights, but also kind of lay down a marker with the Denver Police Department and hopefully police departments around the country that, that kind of response to lawful, legal, and protected protests is unacceptable.
Yeah.
Those are two examples where I think, through our work, we're able to make a real difference in the society we live in.